Fambul, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Any side who side you to watch this video. Me na your brother man and friend DJ Pico really represent Cartel Airwaves Online FM. We based inside Kuwait. I just want to can talk to you about one with Salon brother. This man, he named Mr. Patrick Sova. Watch out. Chauffeur. You don't see her? Yes. This we brother also. If he don't live in Kuwait for some time, he can Kuwait from 2006. Now this we brother can Kuwait. And according to him, he gets plenty in the way he talk when they interview him. Now one with sister radio station where na VOA. Well, for make una not say na me talk am, una listen back wetin they talk, because something in the way they talk, not true at all. But for long I not say not to me talk am, na in talk am. Well, Fambul, Chauffeur.
The current president, Mr. Van Gaal Alpha, they do a great job. And we've got somebody at the embassy, they call Mr. Mide, and Mrs. Alpha and Man, they all do great job. Whether domestic or other expert or other international worker who they work in Sierra Leone, for them to know the facelift on the ground, what they happen on the ground, the situation on the ground. But the ambassador tell you say he goes now October, he go there, and he don't go to the place 2 months. The detention where they call shelter now a last bus stop. If maybe don't go, they will not be following to that situation. Now negotiation, part of your duty as an ambassador, if you're able to formulate policy, if you're able to negotiate, if you're able to communicate to your government, for let them draft a 100 member of the United Nations. Kuwait now the 111th member of the United Nations. Sierra Leone and Kuwait get bilateral and multilateral treaties under the Vienna Convention of International Treaty of 1863. That only they get ambassador in each country. Sierra Leone get ambassador in Kuwait, Kuwait get ambassador in Sierra Leone. But as an ambassador,
now you don't hear here. Look some of the things the way he talk. He say Kuwait get embassy na Salon. Una see what I tell you, say some of the things the way this with brother had they talk is not correct. You say for the watch so. Let ask you this question. If Kuwait be get embassy na Salon, like where Salon get embassy na Kuwait so, we ready for common Salon for Kana Kuwait. Then for they tell me say snap your passport, send them for we na Kuwait, make them pull for you a visa. Enough happen. But you wait he talk. He say Kuwait get embassy na Salon. You know, this is not lie. It's not correct. Okay. Look, he also talk say the ambassador who we get, we na Her Excellency Madam Aja Aisatu Thomas. He say when the mommy come, he not even try to get meeting. Look the mommy, but look at we will be getting meeting with the mommy na Mabola. You see, you see for yourself. We get this meeting na Mabola January 18, 2019. We welcome the ambassador inside Kuwait and we explain to her waiting at some of the problem them where we the Sierra Leone and they facing na Kuwait. We brother na waiting he tell me he say the mommy no get that meeting then I make we Cartel Airwaves we dey here for you now the true story. Now I make we dey show now the meeting will be take place.
I tell you, plenty good news when they put from Salon for we by the state of Kuwait. Don't clap for as they come against me all.
Una afternoon, my brother and sister them. Me, before I begin to say anything, respect in you, I respect for them. An ambassador been there before, but they don't mention in name. And we all know the part where it lay for we and wait. Unfortunately, God don't take am today. If we don't come for replace am, I think say na the responsibility for always remember am and pray for am. I dey ask that we all till and observe 1 minute silence for am. Make his soul rest in peace. On that note, I want to tell the Almighty Allah thank you. I want to tell the President, His Excellency, Julius Maada Bio, thank you for when identify me for say I for can be ambassador of Kuwait. People them they say, hey.
You don't see him. And in not tap there, he also say, and we get the new president for the union, with Mr. Alpha Bangao, and he mentioned in wealth, and also Mr. Lunge, where he said the all the work with the ambassador. He said, them people there also, Mr. Alpha, Mr. Lunge, he said, now then they work. It's like the mommy know the work. So if you praise the underman, what about the boss now when I they give them order, now they give them instructions, say una go so, una go do this. Eh? You not forget praise. Waiting do. Because this we brother also, we don't understand say now him be one for Kana Kuwait here as ambassador. Watch am back. Tell me. Now so be you one Kana as ambassador. I know. Talk no more quickly, nobody know it. Yeah. He tell me, he say one can't take that position there, but president will get Brigadier, retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio. He balance am. And because they balance am, so anything away we ambassador do now, me man, he dey vex. You see him? He's really vex. He dey vex. We come out again. We your brother also talk about wetin dey happen na the shelter. He say when the mommy go there, the mommy talk. He praise the Kuwait government, and he also say na Kuwait government no more na dem get shelter na this community, na this part of the region, this part of the world. We brother say na lie. Other countries dem dey wey himself call say dem get, but I don't know why make dem not be don show with dem country dem dey wey dem get. But anyway, me want make you know say no to the first tenant day where the mommy don't go na that place there. He don't go there now. Na the second time this where he go there so, and this time around he decide to go with the media to make people themselves know say he done the work and let people and they see the kind of work where he dey do. So if you get the opportunity for make you see this video here so on Facebook under Cartel Airwaves now because the mommy don't know say now the world, the global world, when you want to move fast, you for use the social media, and I make you decide for the move with the Cartel Airwaves team. And even when it can go there, now in and Mr. Lunge together with the union, now then we don't they go there for make sure say they go advocate for the picking them. And they also talk say they not take names of the picking them. Well, you don't see that particular day they take all the names of the picking them will be there in that particular place there. All man in name they take and do one by one. We go show you the video back when they take the names them down. You go see for yourself. Also, it talks say Mr. Lunge na man we get experience, and he don't then also from late President Dr. Ahmed Chijankaba in term. Na in Mr. Lunge we don't canaya family. My brother, Mr. Patrick, this way talk is not correct. Mr. Lunge, he can also during President Ernest Koroma in time where na been 2015 na Mr. Lunge come inside Kuwait, can begin work with the embassy. So whose step where they talk say na Pakaba in term. Pakaba in term na whose step? Pakaba in term no pass long term. You know, you don't see what they tell me. Some of the things the way this we brother they talk is not correct. True not the day. And he also talk about this we sister so when Awana to Timbu, he say the mommy, the ambassador, they not do nothing for that picking day. Well, I make family know say that one day back is not correct. The mommy from where it come, where we Cartel Airwaves, now we make let people see this picking in video where we shoot them out. The mommy grow concerned, he feel the pain as himself na kumra, and he feel the pinch. The mommy go up and down and try and see say he talk to the Kuwait government for make them try give this speaking the justice we supposed to get. And if you see this speaking then they are 10 now because of where the case for this with sister it in a court, and also the Pekin them for do plastic surgery panam, they get for also take care of in eye, and then also get for take care of in teeth, then for do dentists in teeth, you know. And make I tell you now, this particular Pekin here so presently the Amin na Kuwait in Grand Pekin, in Gyal Pekin when in Grand Pekin. Now he also the help for take care of this with sister. So if you they talk say they know they take care of this with sister, well I want to tell you say you know then a Kuwait. The 10 way be then a Kuwait that they with now is different. And I want make you know say Kuwait when you see so waiting be the happen first time we una be there with now na two different things. And also this we brother been talk say in na the first Salomon where they be president for the Sierra Leone them where they live inside Kuwait, they tell them in there. I want make the people know say this brother Mr. Patrick, you know, ever be president for Sierra Leone and them inside Kuwait. You know, ever be president for Sierra Leone and them inside Kuwait. The only president who gets will be known day na Mr. M.S. Jallow, commonly known as Fidel Castro, na the one great president that day, and in vice way he be get na Raymond Faure, where commonly they call Bull. Raymond Faure, they call him Raymond Bull. Now in na the vice president. When Raymond Bull be don't left, he don't go na America, then we end up forget another vice president where na David Bangura. Then from there we can get this election will take place the 1st of February 2019 when Mr. Alpha Bangao can become the union president presently. So I want make you know say if you want to know exactly wetin dey happen inside Kuwait, contact Cartelia Waves. We dey na also for the truth. We there for tell people all around the world. Any south side dey, we dey tell you the truth wetin dey happen inside Kuwait. Fambul, I will get onto una back when necessary. Thank you very much for watching this wonderful video from Cartelia Waves Online FM.